Have you ever wondered if an artificial intelligence algorithm could fix your broken credit score faster and more accurately than a human expert? Managing a low credit score is one of the most frustrating experiences in modern adult life. You apply for a basic credit card, an auto loan, or even a rental apartment, and you get rejected because of a single negative mark on your report. The fear of getting stuck in a cycle of high interest rates, denied mortgage applications, or endless rejection letters keeps millions of people up at night. The traditional solution to this problem has always been expensive, slow, and confusing. You either spend hundreds of hours researching consumer credit laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act, drafting manual dispute letters, and mailing them to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Or you pay legacy credit repair agencies hundreds of dollars in monthly fees for questionable manual work. That is precisely where automated platforms like Dovly AI come into the picture. But what actually happens behind the scenes when you hand over your credit profile to an artificial intelligence engine? And how does the technology work to clean up your record? At its core, Dovly AI is an automated credit engine designed to simplify, track, and execute the credit repair and monitoring process. The primary issue with traditional credit reporting is that bureaus process millions of data points every day, leading to frequent human error, duplicate accounts, incorrect late payment entries, or outdated collection accounts that should have dropped off years ago. Finding these errors manually requires meticulously cross-referencing pages of fine print across 3 separate credit reports. Dovly solves this through automated data ingestion and pattern recognition algorithms. When you connect your profile to Dovly, the platform initiates a soft credit check that does not harm your score. The engine then ingests your digital credit report and runs a deep audit across all trade lines. The AI scans for subtle discrepancies, such as inconsistent reporting dates, incorrect balance amounts, unverified collections, or unauthorized account inquiries. Instead of guessing what might be wrong, the algorithm maps your data against historical dispute outcomes to flag the specific line items most likely to contain legally disputable errors. Once the software identifies these errors, the next phase of the technology comes into play: automated dispute generation and delivery. Under federal law, credit reporting agencies are required to investigate any disputed information within 30 days and remove anything that cannot be verified. Dovly uses customizable dispute logic to automatically draft customized, legally compliant dispute correspondence tailored to the exact error found on your report. Rather than using generic templates that credit bureaus often reject as spam, the algorithm structures the claim around specific consumer rights framework standards. Once generated, the disputes are submitted electronically or dispatched to the relevant bureaus, such as TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, without you having to write a single letter, by postage, or navigate bureau web portals. What makes this engine continuous rather than a one-time script is its feedback loop. Every 30 days, as credit bureaus update their files or respond to outstanding claims, the AI scans your updated credit files. If a credit bureau removes a negative mark, the platform registers the updated score, recalibrates your profile, and shifts focus toward the next item. If a dispute is rejected or left unaddressed, the algorithm can automatically escalate the request or recategorize the strategy based on updated reporting data. Alongside removing negative items, the technology provides personal optimization insights. It evaluates your overall credit utilization ratios, payment history trends, and account age metrics to tell you exact steps to take, like when paying down a specific credit card balance will trigger the highest score jump. The main actionable takeaway for taking control of your financial health with AI tools like Dovly is to understand that software is an efficiency engine, not a magic fix for legitimate debt. An algorithm can efficiently challenge unverified, inaccurate, or outdated negative marks that drag down your score, but it cannot delete accurate accounts that you legally owe. To get the best results, start by signing up for an audit, letting the technology systematically review your trade lines for errors, and approving the initial dispute queue. Combine automated dispute tracking with smart credit habits like paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances below 30% of your limit, and monitoring your score regularly to protect your long-term purchasing power. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.